Hello, John Dilworth here. Thinking about sound design. Um, and I was thinking, is there a trend in sound design, like minimalism or abstraction? Sounds don't sound like they should, or at least the sounds we believe that these objects or actions should sound like, which implies a lot. If I think about that, I think that it's a built-in natural language. Then how did we learn it? Where did it come from? So I like sounds that are contradictory, uh, um, but representational always, and disobedient sounds and ironic sounds. And I don't know if this is a movement, but for me, I've learned it from the alleged golden age of Hollywood cartoon animation, from several great directors that I admire, but so many. I mean, an ensemble experience of making myth. That's what I think cartoons are, myths to live by. I've broken it down. I've done some studies, especially on Bugs Bunny cartoons. But in Courage, for instance, I believed in myth, in Courage, in making Courage. And the sound design of Courage was representational. I really did want to portray some secret suspicion that even evil has a melody.